truck. So, Cody, what is this one's name?
Gangster and Bigfoot.
We got Gangster and Bigfoot. Now, Cody has a lot of monster trucks, but these are the Hot Wheels monster trucks. All right, now how about this one, Co?
Are you ready?
Yep. All right. Now, let's do a few more. Now, who do we have here?
Megrex, Tiger Shark, and Invader.
Okay. Ready? Go ahead. All right, good stuff. Now, who's this?
Gravedigger.
Vivi, do you know that one?
Daddy.
That's Gravedigger, all right. Now, what's this one, Cody?
Spider-Man, Wizards, and...
Good job, Co.
I don't know what is this one.
Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Let's,
Yes,
you can
Mom,
move them.
Daddy, Daddy, this one is just fake.
Okay. All right, yeah, it's fake. All right, who's that?
Daddy, and set this screen. I will call him Gravedigger Slime Gumpster.
Okay. Now, Vivian, you know... Oh, who's this one?
Water Dodger. And Daddy, I got this one Tiger Shark number 3.
Because we have 2 of them. Vivi, who's this?
That's Tiger Shark.
Good job, honey.
Wait a
Okay.
second, Dad. That was the only one we had.
Okay, no worries. Now, are they going to go? All right, now we got a few more, Cody. Who's this?
Motosaurus.
All right, and Vivi, do you know this one?
Scorpio and 5 alarm.
5 Alarm and Scorpedo. Good job. Who's this?
One Seeker and Blue Thunder.
Okay, and Blue Thunder. Okay. Are they going to go down? Oh, that's Daddy's favorite, right? Demo Derby. Look at that spray paint.
My favorite red.
Who's your favorite, Vivian?
Pink.
Oh, okay. Now,
5 alarm number 2.
good job. All right, now you've met all the monster trucks. And Cody, can you tell everybody what's your favorite monster truck?
Tiger Shark. But Dad,
All right.
the winner is